Officially, I want to say a very big welcome to you to VSL Concept ICT Academy's YouTube channel. Yes, the one and only channel that gives you all the tips as how you can make legal money on the internet, and the one and only channel that gives you all the tips as to how you can grow your business online. Yes, in this video, we'll be showing you exactly how to create a PayPal account that can send and receive money from any part of the world. As you know, countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and the likes do not have the opportunity of sending PayPal accounts that are fully functional. It is either you would not be able to receive payment or you would not be able to add cards to this account. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to create a fully functional PayPal account that can receive and send money from any part of the world. On this channel, I've made a video showing how to create that PayPal account, as it were, using the Lesotho country PayPal account. But over time, we have received complaints that that pattern or system is no longer working. Guess what, guys? In this video, I'll be giving you brand new system and method on how you can create this PayPal account. You might be wondering, what are the requirements or things needed for you to actually create this PayPal account? The very first thing you'll be needing is a valid email address. Yes, after getting your valid email address, it will be required that you get a valid means of identification. Yes, whether your international passport, your driver's license, or your national identity card. So wherever you are, whether you are in Ghana, in Nigeria, in Cameroon, in Rwanda, anywhere you are, try to get any of these means of identification, and I assure you, you are ready to jump on this train right now. Now, the very next thing that you'll be needing for you to actually get this done is a valid Argentina address. Why is that a requirement for us to create a PayPal? Yes, it is valid because we will be creating an Argentina PayPal account. But don't worry about how you'll be able to get this valid Argentina address. I'll be showing you how to get that right here and now in this video. So don't bother yourself about that. The very next thing that we'll be needing is a valid Argentina phone number. Yes, I would also be showing you how to get this valid Argentina phone number right here and now. I'm sure you have so many new things to learn. And most importantly, we need a valid USA bank account. A valid USA bank account. This may seem the most difficult among all the requirements that you would actually be needing right now. But guess what? I would show you exactly how to get all of these requirements without paying a dime. You are going to get a US bank account without paying a dime. You are going to get an Argentina address without paying a dime. You are also going to get an Argentina phone number without paying a dime. Come on, are you interested? Are you getting ready and bundled up to see what I'll be showing you right in this video? If you have not already done so, come on, click on this subscribe button that you can see on this channel. Subscribe to this channel so that you can get mind-blowing information as to how we would help you make massive money on the internet, as it were. Without wasting time, let's run through our checklist of requirements, see what we have, see what we don't have, and then we see exactly how to get what we don't have right now. I'm sure that you have your email, so we can mark that as checked. I'm sure that you have your valid means of identification, so we can mark that as checked. But the big question is, how can we now get our Argentina address, as it were? Very easy. Head on to Google and search for Argentina address. And it's actually going to bring you up to the suggestions on this website where we can get random Argentina address. I'll pick on this first one. After selecting this first one, you're going to see that it has given us 6 different random Argentina addresses that we can use. Now, it is very, very important that you know that we have other persons who may be coming here to get these information also to create PayPal accounts or just to generate Argentina address. So we are actually going to pick any of this address, tweak it, and then we'll use it to set up this PayPal account, as it were. Now, what do we need to do? I'll come over here and copy this one, copy this address, and put it right here on any notepad document. So we have this information. Now, what I would also want to do is to change the last 4 digits of this phone number we have here. I can just put in 3456 as the last 4 digits of that phone number. So over here, we have our address, AV Republica 1157, the city, we have the state area, we have the state, we have the phone number, the calling code, and the address. Now, after getting this information, which is our address and our phone number, we need a USA bank account that we would actually be connecting to this PayPal account. Well, what we are going to do right now is to create the PayPal account first. And when it gets to that time, I would show you exactly how to create this USA bank account for free. You don't have to spend any dime at all. So as you see now, we have gotten the basic information that we actually need to set up this PayPal account. As mentioned to you, we'll be creating an Argentina PayPal account. So after doing this, we can now head on to our web browser to create this PayPal account. Please take note of this wonderful information I'll be giving to you right now. It is very, very important that while you are creating this PayPal account, you create it on a brand new browser that you have just installed. Yes, it is either you install a new browser or you clear the browsing history of that browser you are using. If you actually set this up from a browser that carries information about previously logged in PayPal accounts, then you might have issues that would cause your account to be limited. So what are we expected to do right now? Create a new browser or clear cache of your browser, and then you can now go to the website I'll be going to right now to set up your PayPal account. So now we are ready to set up our accounts immediately. And what do we need to do? Head onto your browser and put in paypal.com/AR. Paypal.com/AR. And then it will bring you up to this point where it will now be asking you if you want to set up your account just to shop online and send payment, or you want to sell online and receive payment. Yes, we need a complete PayPal, so we would sell online and receive payments. Come on, click on sign up for free under selling online, and then put in your name. It has to be the name that you have on your ID card. Put in your first name and then your last name and then your email address, and then put in your password. After doing that, click on you read the terms and conditions. You can read the user agreement, read the privacy statement if you have the time. But for now, for this tutorial video, we click on agree and create. So as you see, they will send a verification email. Click on email your code, and they will send a verification email to our email address. Verification code here, 331807. 331807, and then we'll click on submit. So after this point, you can now decide to put in your business information, or you can just click skip for now. But because you are creating a real account, click on let's go, and then you fill in all those informations as it were. So as an individual, business type, sole proprietorship, and then click on next. And then you put in the name, put in your date of birth. Now I'm just going to put in any date of birth here. 0808 1982. Then nationality Argentina. What is your phone number? Aha. We can now go over here, copy our phone number. Copy this phone number. Let me remove this space first. Then we can now copy this phone number and then put it in here. Good. Now, what is your residential address? We'll come over here, copy our address. AV Republican 1157, and then put in the address here. So now it is asking us for a postal code. So what do we do to get our postal code? This is the city. So we can just put in this city. We can just go over to a new browser and say this city postal code. All right, so we're going to find that postal code here, 1702. We'll come over here, put in postal code 1702, and then put in the town or city. We have our city, and then the province. Where is the province? As you can see here, this is the state of province. So we'll just go over there and search for that. All right, as you can see there, this is it here. This is it here. This is it there. This is it there. And now we click on next. So if you have entered wrong information, it is not going to allow you to pass that step. But as you see, because we have put in valid information, it has given us the privilege and opportunity to pass that step, as it were. So now click on just use your full legal name for now. What's your business name registration number? You can ignore that. What's the primary currency of a business? Dollar. What do you sell? So just put digital books or services. Do you have a website? No. Then what's your business address? Use your residential address. Click on that and then you click on next. Good. Congrats, you're all set. Now go to the home page. So immediately you go to the home page, you're going to see that we have successfully created our PayPal account. Are you happy seeing how well I have held you by the hand, showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can create this PayPal account? Yes, even though we have a whole lot of things to do to complete the account setup, our PayPal account is up and running. Come on, say thank you. Say thank you by subscribing to this channel. Yes, this Ogbonge channel, this #1 channel that gives you step-by-step guide on how to do whatever we promise that we're going to show you. Subscribe to this channel now. I'm going to wait for you to do it now. Now. Oh yeah, subscribe. And do not forget to like this video. Like this video and share this video so many other persons who wants to learn how to create a PayPal account will definitely see how to create it from this video. Have you liked the video? Or you like it now? Thank you for liking the video. And if you take this thank you without liking the video, I reserve my comments. But thank you for liking this video. And I'm very sure that you are enjoying this video, how I am holding you by the hand and showing you how this is done. Please go to the comment section and say, I am enjoying this video. Just go to the comment section and say, thank you so much for this information. If you have been looking for a guide on how to set up a PayPal account, come on, go there and say, thank you so much for showing us this mind-blowing information. As mentioned earlier, there are so many other things that we need to do in order for this account to be complete. Now, as you see, this PayPal can actually send payments out and can also receive payment. But the truth remains that this PayPal account will be limited within a very short period of time because they will need us to do two things. Number one, they would need us to put in our valid ID card and also need us to connect our bank account, as it were. Remember, we mentioned that you needed a valid ID card for your PayPal account to stay forever. And you also need what? A US bank account. But let's go straight on into confirming our email address because it is very important for us to actually get verified. So come over here, you are going to find out that PayPal have sent me several mails. And one disadvantage for us is that you see that these mails are not in English. For example, this first mail that talks about we confirming our account, you see that it is not in English. But over here at the top here, you're going to see translate to English. Click on translate to English. It's actually going to translate this email to English. So we can now click on confirm your account. So immediately click on that. It's going to ask for your password. I think I have this password saved already. So click on login. So over here, you have the security check. Please click the entity that has a brain. So out of all these things, which one has a brain? You can see this is the one that has a brain. Click next. Entity that has a brain, this one has a brain. Click verify. And we automatically verified. And it will now log us in to our PayPal account. Good. As I mentioned earlier, you would see that your accounts have been limited. Here is a notification. We want to confirm that information in your PayPal account is accurate and we notice some suspicious activity in your account. To understand this better, we need more information from you. You need to provide the requested information to regain full access. Click on see details. And now you see that our account has been restricted. What do we need to do? We need to upload a photo ID. So click on resolve, and then here you can now upload the ID card that I mentioned that you should have. It does not have to be an Argentina ID card. Whatever ID you have, just upload. Passport, driver's license, or your national identity card. So I'll be uploading my driver's license as it were. So I'll browse files. All right, so that is the front, and I would also browse file to bring in the back of the ID card. And then we are good to go. So click on submit. Great, we have now submitted these informations, and as you see, we can now go over to account limitations. Great, we have successfully uploaded our ID, and if you go over to your email, you are going to find an email telling you that your ID card have been received. Now on your email, you are going to find an email that says PayPal is currently reviewing your information you submitted. Once complete a review, we will contact you with the status of your account within 1 business day. But guys, this happens immediately after you have set up your account. So guys, immediately you are going to receive this email that says we review your information provided from the ID reference and we have removed your applied limitations. You will now be able to access any feature that were previously limited. As you have seen, we have successfully created our account and all restrictions have been lifted from this account. Come on, do you enjoy this wonderful information that I've given to you as to how you can successfully create and verify your PayPal account? Come on, if you know you enjoy this wonderful information that I have just given to you, oh yeah, it is now time for you to like this video. Like this video and ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because I am now going to drop a video that would show you how to connect your US account. As you see here, we have completed 2 out of 3 things that we are expected to do. The next thing to do is what? For us to connect your bank account. Now, if you click on choose your bank, you are going to see that they actually want us to put in a bank account. Now, this bank account definitely has to be an Argentina bank account. But don't worry, I will be showing you how to link a US bank shortly, and you will be able to get that information only if you are subscribed to this channel. If you don't subscribe, you will not get that information on how to create this US bank for free that you would now be connecting to this account, because we don't have an Argentina bank account that they want us to put here, but we need to put in a US bank account, and I can show you how to do that immediately. So now this is what you do. Ensure you like this video. 1. After liking this video, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come on, hit that subscribe button. After hitting the subscribe button, the third thing that you must do right now is to ensure that you go to the comment section below and say, please drop the video on how to create the US bank account for free. You won't spend 1 naira. You won't spend anything. You will create that account right here and now. All I just want is for you to ensure you like this video, subscribe to this video, and head on to the comment section and drop a comment saying, please drop the video on how to create a US bank account for free. And I assure you, you are going to be mind blown as to how I will show you that process of creating that bank account. I will also show you how to step by step connect it to this PayPal account so it can work for you very, very well. Now, you not connecting this account does not restrict you from actually using this PayPal we have just created. Come on, follow those 3 steps. I want to see the enthusiasm in you, showing that you really, really want me to drop that video that shows how to create a US bank account, that also shows how to connect that bank account to your PayPal account. This is going to make your account everlasting to everlasting. Nothing can happen to it. While you are dropping that comment in the comment section below, I will be waiting for you. And now I want to take this time out to announce the winner of our last video. In that last video, we mentioned that whoever is the first person to mention correctly when we drop emojis on the screen and mention correctly the type of emojis we dropped, that person stands the chance to win a special prize. Jay's Dynamic Concept, congratulations, you are the winner of that last video. Do well to contact us with the information you can see on your screen so that you can actually get your mind-blowing prize. You watching this video you stand a mind-blowing price to get that premium content on how to create a US account that you are going to connect to this your PayPal account. All you need to do is what? First, subscribe to this channel. Do it now. Now. Subscribe to the channel now. Like this video. Second, go to the comment section below and mention, please give us the video, give me the video on how to create the user's bank account for free. And third, ensure that you share this video. When you do that, I will blow your mind by giving you that mind-blowing step-by-step tutorial that will blow your mind. I can't wait to see you in that next video where I'll be showing you all of those tips as to how you can create a US bank account right from the comfort of your home. See you in that video.